Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of array built-in functions in PHP. In last video, we explored some built-in functions like array chunk, array slice and explode. In this video, we move further. The function that can boost your PHP skill and make your code cleaner and more powerful. So let's get started. Before starting with video, you have to start your XAMPP Apache to execute the codes. Now we will move to our next function, that is range. Range is a PHP function used to create an array containing a sequence of elements like numbered letters within a given range. Here you can see in this we have to give a start and end values. Start means the starting value and the end means the ending value that we want in that range. Here you can see I have given the range as starting from 1 till 30, and when we print it, here you can see it will printing starting from 1st to 30. Now we will execute this. Here I will define one variable as a $a, and here only I will give the is equals to, I will give the range as from 1 comma till 10, and I will print it using print r $a. Now save it and refresh the browser. Here you can see it will printing starting from 1 to 10. Now we will try to print the characters as well. I will give here echo, and inside I will give the break, so it will comes to next line. I will define one more variable as $p, and here I will give the range as a. In a character we have to give in a single or double quotes, a to e. Now try to print it. Now save it and refresh the browser. Here you can see it will printing starting from A to E. Now in this I will explain one more important point, and that is steps. First I will give the break. I will give another variable as $c, and inside this I will give the range starting from 2 to 10, and I will give one more argument, that is. Now I will save this and execute. First we have to give the print statement, print r. In that I will give the variable as $c. Now save it and refresh. Here you can see it is giving starting from 0 till 10, but it has some gap, that means step, that we have given in the range function, that it is skips 2 elements in between and giving the output. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Next function is max and min. In simple words, the max function is returns the element that is maximum in the given array, and min, it returns the minimum element in the given array. Now we will directly execute this. Here I will declare one variable as a, and here I will give the array function. Inside that I will gives some elements and ended by semicolon. Now I will declare one more variable as $b, and using the max function here I will give the entire array and end it by semicolon. And to produce the output here I will give for string the maximum element in an array is $p. Now similarly we'll give for minimum. The minimum element in an array is, now save it and refresh the browser. Here you can see the maximum element means which has the maximum value in an array is 12 and minimum is 2. Here you can see the maximum is 12 and minimum is 2. Next is in array function. In array is used to check if the specific value exists in an array or not. It returns true if the value is found and false if not. Now we will execute this code. Here you can see I have declared one array as it contains Volvo, BMW, Toyota and Maruti, and in using the if else statement here I have given the in array function. It will check if the Volvo is present in cars array. Now we'll try to execute this code. Here I will define an array as, and it contains Volvo, BMW and Maruti. Now inside the if I will use the in array function, and first I will give the element that we want to search, and next is the array name. Here we give the echo statement. Here I will give that Volvo is present. And in else part I will give that is Volvo is not present. Now save it, go to the browser and refresh. Here you can see, okay, here I have given the small letters. Now again we will refresh it. Here you can see Volvo is present. It is a case sensitive, that's why it is giving the wrong output for small, means capital letters and small letters. Okay, the next function is array unique. Array unique is used to remove duplicate values from an array. It returns a new array containing only the unique values with the first occurrence preserved. Here you can see the array that is duplicates that contains A, B, A, C, E, D, E. Means in this array we see the multiple duplicate items. Here you can see A is present 2 times, E is present 2 times. So it contains duplicate values, but using the array unique, it removes the duplicate values in the array. Now we will execute this. Here only I will give the value as Volvo. Inside this, using the array unique function, now I will declare another variable as $b, and using the array unique, here I will pass our original array. And I will print it. Now save it and refresh. Here you can see the Volvo, BMW and Maruti. In this I have given the Volvo at 2 times, but it is removing the second occurrence of the Volvo and giving only the unique values that are present in an array. And that wraps up part 2 of PHP's built-in array functions. I hope you learned something new and useful today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to new tutorial videos on PHP. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.